Does your team hold sprint retrospectives, but no one is interested to join? Do many of your employees skip it or sit silently in meetings? Maybe you are doing it the wrong way then. Sprint retrospectives are an essential tool to build a high-functioning team in an agile world. In this video, we are going to tell you some ways through which you can facilitate great sprint retrospectives. But before that, we must look at some benefits of sprint retrospectives. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also join our Patreon community for more discussions. A retrospective is a discussion meeting which is held at the end of the sprint. The team members discuss the process of product development and its release. They share their difficulties and future goals. According to several studies, agile projects are 28% more successful than the traditional projects. Retrospectives are significant as they identify problems, look for solutions, and focus on future goals of the company. Here are some major benefits of retrospectives. It creates transparency. The team can share their experiences, stories, complaints, and issues regarding various problems. They can add their opinion to the project's process and facilitate feedback. The team communicates and connects. Through the shared experiences, the team begins to be more communicative and connect with their members. Facilitating communication through retrospectives can create an organization into a collaborative group and avoid any future misunderstandings. And finally, with retrospectives, we can review tasks and suggest improvements. Reviewing the projects in retrospectives helps in finding problems, suggesting solutions, and finding new opportunities in the team. The team can encourage improvement in future projects. So how can we help facilitate sprint retrospectives? Here are some simple steps which can help you to create great sprint retrospectives. First, set the stage. The first phase of a retrospective is a chance for the team to check in. This step is the most important in retrospective meetings. Always start your meetings with an icebreaker. It creates a casual environment and eases all the extra nerves. This step gives everyone a chance to switch context. By taking a few minutes to set the stage before getting into the heart of the retrospective, the team has the chance to switch from thinking about the last thing they were working on to thinking about the bigger picture. Setting the stage will encourage participation. It will make sure everyone says at least one word during this phase, and it will help them to voice their opinion in the next steps. And finally, it grabs everyone's attention. Many people are in meeting after meeting, day in and day out, and see the retrospective as yet another meeting to attend. If you use setting the stage as an opportunity to have some fun, you will also grab their attention for the rest of the conversation. In this step, you can use some simple questions like, how is your weather day today? Or what is your favorite animal, or place, or color? What is your best game, or movie, or TV show? These questions will encourage everybody to speak about their opinions. As a facilitator, you should ensure that everyone speaks up at least once. Next step is to gather data. We are all different people, and we do not necessarily see the world the same way. This step is about creating a shared pool of information. It gives your team the chance to look back at your iteration, to create a shared understanding of the events that shaped their sprints. This step will help to get the team on the same page, and it creates alignment about what's most important. In this step, the facilitator can drive the focus towards a re-evaluation of the recent product and the changes needed in the process. You can use a whiteboard to mark all the changes, and you can use the 4Ls exercise, for example, in this step. What I loved, what I learned, what I lacked, and what I longed for. Everyone's opinion matters, and the team should take some time to gather some data around these 4 questions. Next, generate insights. Once we have set the stage to get the team checked in, and we have gathered data to build a shared understanding of what happened during the sprint, now it's time to analyze the data we have collected to discover insights and to find root causes. Instead of jumping straight to solutions, this step encourages the team to think deeply about issues, which helps to expand their horizon and see in the big picture. We can use exercises such as the 5 whys. Once you have identified the issue at hand, the facilitator can ask the team why 5 times to get to the root cause of the issue. Again, as a facilitator, ensure that everyone's voice is heard. You should involve all team members in the discussion. Now it's time to decide what to do. This is the solutions phase. After the whole team has spoken and added new ideas and insights in the meeting, it is time now to make it actionable. This is an important phase of the retrospective. The purpose of the retrospective is to enable actionable team learning. That means that the insights you discovered during the last phase of the retrospective must now be translated into action items or experiments so that the team has the opportunity to change. Based on all the ideas that you had in the previous steps, you can ask the team now to write what actions or experiments they would like to take. You can use the start, stop, continue exercise to brainstorm the potential actions, then use dot voting to prioritize which actions the team wants to work on. Finally, the last step is to close the retrospective. This is the moment where the facilitator should help the team to check out. Too often, meetings end when people simply run out of things to say. Close your retrospective with a summary of findings and praise things done well. The ending of these meetings should be a celebration. You can use, for example, the take a stand exercise to close this step. You can create a big scale on the floor with a masking tape, mark one end as great and the other one as bad, and let participants stand on the scale according to their satisfaction with the retrospective, and ask them what can be improved in the next one. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video gave you some good ideas on how to run your retrospectives. Let us know in the comments below if you have more ideas. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for further videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.